So you're currently using TickTick and would like to step up your game to become a pro at using the platform. In this video, I'm going to share with you some really interesting and cool shortcuts that you can use to be able to master TickTick. So to find this, you want to go ahead and click your account on the upper left and go into the settings. Within the settings, you will find an option here at the low bottom that says shortcuts. This is a gold mine because it has general shortcuts, task shortcuts, quick add, edit task, and so much more. Navigation, calendar, and so much. And if you know these different shortcuts, you can use them. You can even preset them as well to basically set whatever you want. You can remove and you can basically add whatever it is that you want, right? So you can easily go ahead and set them as you wish. So if you're looking for how to actually set one, guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and remove and set those shortcuts as you wish. Now, that's pretty much all there is to it. So set them up with their own shortcut or just use the ones that are available to you and just, basically improve your game while using TickTick. And that's it.